My name is Charlie. This is Juan, co-founders of America's Finest Garage Door and Gate Company. We are a family-run business specializing in custom garage doors and driveway gates. Together, we have over 30 years experience in the industry.
America's Finest Garage Door and Gate is a family-operated business. We specialize in custom garage doors and gates, as well as a dedicated team for around-the-clock repair services. We combine your vision with our 30 years of experience to create the most aesthetically pleasing and harmonious garage doors and gates that complement the beauty of your home. Our beautiful doors and gates not only increase your home's curb appeal, but also instantly increases your equity. We also have an emergency service department offering top-of-the-line repair services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Whether it's a broken motor, a damaged panel, or a faulty keypad, we're here to help. Call us today to learn more and get a quote.